In this programming video, we're going to show you how to pair a panic button to your total security Wi-Fi system. First, enter the main menu. From here, select Sensors. Scroll down and select Sensor. Then either select a zone by scrolling or enter the desired zone number.
Add 9 zone.
Next, press the panic button.
Add successfully programmed.
Once the panic button is added, you will want to make sure the settings on that zone are correct. To do so, select the zone again, then press OK on Add/Edit.
Add 9 zone.
Scroll down to the box labeled Attribute. This should be set to Emergency. If it is not, press 4 to select Emergency, then press OK to save your changes. Your panic button is now programmed and ready to test.
9 zone. System alarming. 9 zone. System disarming.
In this programming video, we're going to show you how to